Introducing Optima PMS, Priority's end-to-end property management solution for hotel chains, resorts, boutique hotels, and more. From a single centralized platform, Optima PMS gives you complete control over your hotel operations, from front desk to back office, whether you're on site or on the go. Boost occupancy and extend your reach with its integrated channel manager and seamless OTA integrations to leading online booking platforms, including Booking.com, Expedia, and more. Manage reservations, view real-time room availability, and streamline check-in and check-out all in just a few clicks. Access detailed guest profiles, track preferences, and run loyalty programs that keep guests coming back. Priority Optima allows you to centrally manage housekeeping and service teams in real time and gain actionable insights to boost efficiency and guest satisfaction. Optimize hotel revenue and room yield with forecast reports and integration with leading revenue management solutions for dynamic pricing recommendations, and efficiently handle billing and ensure compliance with local tax regulations. Expand your offering with integrated modules for spa management, event scheduling, POS for shops and restaurants, all fully synced within Optima. Extend your capabilities with certified applications from Optima Marketplace, allowing you to scale and innovate as your needs grow. With over 35 years of experience and recognition from leading analysts like Gartner and IDC, Priority has become the trusted partner for more than 15,000 businesses worldwide. Explore Priority Optima Property Management Solutions today